Hi students, welcome to Dream India Technologies. Here we offer a wide range of IT courses designed to meet the industry's needs. Whether you're looking to master programming languages like C, C++, or Java, Python, or dive into full-stack development with Java, Python, or .NET, we have something for you. Our courses in Android development, web designing, graphic designing, digital marketing, and data science will equip you with essential skills for a successful career. With small class sizes, you'll receive personalized attention from industry expert trainers, ensuring you gain hands-on experience through real-time projects. Enroll in any 2 courses now and get spoken English classes worth 6,000 rupees absolutely free. Join over 12 lakh successful alumni who have transformed their careers with us. Take the first step towards your IT career by enrolling today for a demo class. Call us at 99859-43539 or call on landline 0863-224-3539 and visit our website at www.dreamindiatechnologies.com for more information.